Folks, today's cold front not as sharp as the last few cold fronts where it drops 30 or 40 degrees in just a few hours. This one, it's going to be just a slow tumble during the evening hours, and then tomorrow we don't recover much. And tomorrow night, if we clear out, we're going to be able to get quite cold across the area. We'll do it again on Wednesday night. These are the currents, and with the exception of McAllen, everybody's now fallen into the 50s, and we'll just keep going down from there. Rather windy out there. Here are the latest wind gusts across the area. You're looking at 25 to 30 across most of the valley, not quite as gusty in Rio Grande City right now, but still a windy evening across the valley, and it's going to stay like that most of the night and a good part of the day tomorrow. So very gusty wind across the area, especially close to the coast. The closer you get to the coast, the windier it's going to be, so it's a good time to tie down that stuff that can blow away easily. A gale warning is in effect at the coast. Temperature-wise tonight, we all bottom out around 40 or so, and it takes all night to get there. This is where we are at about 6 or 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. North wind blowing, temperatures falling into the upper 30s. Wind chills, it'll feel like it's between 30 and 35 by the time we get to the wake-up hours. And then tomorrow afternoon, we're back to about 50, but this is taking into consideration at least a little bit of sunshine. The models earlier were just clearing it out after tomorrow morning, but now some of the models say the clouds may stick around much of the day. If that happens, we won't get quite this warm. And of course, if we're not this warm, we're going to have to drop as far tomorrow night to get to these numbers. I think tomorrow night we should clear out in most of the valley, and as long as that happens, this is your numbers, 28, these are your numbers, 28 to 38. Everything west or left of the line under a freeze watch for tomorrow night. If you're east of that, Port Mansfield, then all of Cameron County, you're not under any freeze watch at the moment, but we'll keep an eye and see how things pan out. Tomorrow back to 51, Wednesday 58, and finally Thursday 65. This is all with sunshine, so it's not like we're going to stay under the cloudy, rainy mess for much longer. That'll be with us into early tomorrow, but then that cloudy, rainy mess should go away and we'll get back to some sunshine. Seeing that cloudy, rainy mess right now in the western part of the valley, western Starr County, good batch of rain about to make its way up into southwest Hidalgo County. The front pushes away tonight, and the clouds continue all night long, and it's windy, it's chilly. There's that rain working its way toward the coast and may hang out there into tomorrow morning. The model's now kind of keeping the clouds around for at least a time tomorrow in the eastern half of the valley. So while it may warm up to, say, 50, 51 in the west, we could stay cooler in the 40s in the east with a lack of sunshine. It's going to be hard to get there. Eventually, clouds are going to thin out and perhaps break, at least across a lot of the area, by Wednesday morning. That's why that freeze watch is in effect, basically west of here. Clears out, gets a little colder. Over here, it doesn't clear out, doesn't get quite as cold. But Wednesday, sun comes out, then we're clear. Then Wednesday night, we get even colder yet, and that's why we're looking at temperatures perhaps down near freezing again Wednesday night, Thursday morning, but there'll be plenty of sunshine. Rain-wise, I have dry in there for tomorrow. There could be some stuff early. We're talking about, 7, 8 o'clock, but after that, I think we should dry out, at least across most of the valley. There you see the rain moving in from the southwest, the front pushing down as the cold air builds in, and once it builds in, it kind of sits here for a while. High pressure still pushing down from the north. Eventually, it drifts eastward, but it takes a while. It's still sitting in Texas on Thursday. Finally, by Friday, it starts to move away. Our winds will come back out of the southeast. Long-range models hint at a couple of showers by next weekend. In the bay, north winds 12 to 25 knots. It's a little rough. Just a bad time to go out in a little boat. Gale warning in effect, high rip current risk, rough on the bay. Just don't even do it. Shouldn't even show the tides, right? So tonight then, 39. 39, windy and colder, spotty light rain. Then tomorrow back to only 51, and that's if we get some sunshine. A lot of clouds early, some afternoon sun. Next 7 days, well, we start cold. 39 tomorrow morning, back to 51. Tomorrow night, 32, back to 58. Pretty close to freezing again Thursday morning. That number may go down, 54 on Thursday, and then back in the 70s with spotty showers possible by the weekend. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.